Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to talk about your option to get a free digital planner for the month of December from 3 Nail Faith. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. Okay, so the year is almost over, and I have decided to gift the December planner for 2024 for you to try it out. So you're maybe not sure if you would like to use 3 Nail Faith's planners. Well, here's your opportunity to try it out. I'm going to give all three styles. We have this style. We also have, I'll go ahead and pull this one up, this pink style, and we also have where it's a gray edged style. And these are going to be available in our customer hub for the month of December, so you can try it out. No need to purchase anything. The customer hub is free. There's all kinds of fun free things in our customer hub. And so give it a try. Try it out. Play around with it. See if you like it. And if you like it, go ahead and purchase the 2025 planner. And yeah, so let me show you around a little bit. This is the main page. You have meals, budget, habit tracker, a monthly overview, notes. All of these numbers are linked to daily pages. Then you have your sermon notes linked, a Sunday start week, and a Monday start week. Let me pop in and show you the Sunday start week. This is what the weekly pages look like. You have your Sunday start or a Monday start. Then you have your meal plan, your budget, your habit, your sermon notes, and where you can write in here. Then you have your daily pages, and your daily pages have all kinds of things on it. Let's see. We have our prayer requests, favorite verses, budget, habit, notes. If you tap the My Prayers right here, that will take you to a page where you can write out your prayers or journal or whatever you want to do. Tap that date again, and it takes you right back to the daily page. All of these boxes over here are linked to the daily pages. You have your Sunday week here, Monday week here, sermon notes, meal plan with a Sunday start, meal plan with a Monday start, or you can have a whole month Sunday start or a whole month Monday start for dinners. So that's all in there. Then you have sermon notes. Let me show you what the sermon notes page looks like. That's your sermon notes page. You have prayer requests page. Oops, prayer requests. That's your prayer request, the date, the name of the person, the request, and if you see it answered. You have favorite verses. You can put your verse and then your scripture. You got a couple of those. We have SOAP. Scripture, observation, application, prayer. Got a couple of those. Then the books of the Bible. You have all of your books of the Bible, and then you also have your chapters where you can highlight it in, and if you've read that chapter, or you can, with your pen tool off, touch a book, and it will take you to the Bible gateway of that book. So that way you can read right on Bible Gateway. We have budget pages. This is what your budget page looks like. We have the meal plan that I was telling you about. There is the weekly version with a Sunday start, and then it's got a spot for your grocery list. You have a habit tracker for each month. You can put your habits there and then fill in if you did your habit. Your measurements for the full year. Your period tracker, birthdays and anniversaries, contacts, name, phone number, address, email address, and notes. You got several pages of those. Passwords, books. This is fun. You can put a picture of the book you've read and then star it. And then book review is next, where you can do the same thing you just did on the other page and then write out a review. There's several of those. You have a vision board where you can just put pictures of things that you're dreaming about. Then you have a goal sheet, what goals you're wanting to do in each of these topics. And then you have a planner, your goal, and then how are you going to accomplish it. There's several of those. Then we have our Dream 100. There's 100 different dreams that you would like to accomplish in your years. A Kanban board where you take your big project and you break it down all in bunches of tasks. As you are working on the tasks, you put that task in a center. And then when that task is finished, you move it over to the end. These are time management things. Then you have your time blocking sheet where you can time block. You have a brain dump sheet, blank paper, line paper, dotted paper, square paper. And then you have 10 sections of folders that you can put whatever you want, and each one has a line page. So that is everything over here. You have your yearly calendar where you can tap on the month, and it's going to link to that daily or that monthly page. And then each of these are your daily pages, and then your Sunday Start weekly page. We also have a year in review, where you can write things down for the year in review. You have a list page and a notes page. And I think that is, oh, I didn't show you the February overview. You have an overview page. And I think that's everything. So if you want to try out the 2024 planner, you have it for the entire month. You can download it for it has everything in it, but since we're in December now, it will work for December for you. So that way you can try it out. So if you're interested in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the very next video. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.